Okay, babies, listen. I'm going to go over what I posted on last week about Bitcoin. You'll see me. Um, this is a this is a play by. Okay, I told you that Bitcoin was um, uh, going to support and come off and go up and hit its first target, which is October 3rd. Okay, it, what I showed you was right. You could have held and took Bitcoin all the way up and held it from what I posted uh, last, um, I would say almost a week ago or 2 weeks ago. But I want you to see if I told, when you see the message, go back and look at the message, okay? You have to go back and look at the old video because I'm not gonna go. We're not gonna go to do this. But what I do is I sit there and I create this line. I go in here, so when I send it to you, I have this and here, and I put this line in to find out where is its next support and resistance. Well, how do I figure out where the next support and resistance is? The next support and resistance is when I see this right here. So I go in and I will move this. I'll move this guideline to the next support and resistance. I'm not going to go into too much more detail because I want you to. I don't want to get sidetracked and then I start talking and getting you lost in my words. Okay, I'm just going to show you 1, 2, 3 easy steps. Okay, all right. So in here, I say that this is support and resistance. Okay, it must hold this support and resistance at one. Right now, I'm looking at 170, 178, and then we're going to show. We're going to bring another one here. Why? Look at this right here. This right here shows me. So I duplicate it, and I bring my support and resistance here. We'll look at, so this is my next support and resistance. Okay. So if this is support, and this one right here is resist. Well, why? It has to resist. Let's go into. Let me bring this up bigger. It has to resist this. What I'm looking at right now. You are looking for to see whether or not your where is support is. This is your high, and this is your low. Okay, so we'll put this here. Right here is where it has shown it goes support. Okay, this is what I said, support, and came up, and now it's testing. Okay, what we got right now, we're in a position to where Bitcoin can go up and continue to hold support, and if it holds support on 125, if it then it's going to go to its other target price. Okay, and right now we're looking at that range should be $1,500. Right now we're looking at a $1,500 move. Okay, do you understand? You have to go back and look at this. So let's put that in there. Let's put that. Let's put that in there right now. Okay. You're looking at, and what I did is that on this here candle, this candle, you're looking at the range. I'm sorry, I'm getting my glasses. Okay, I shouldn't be doing this. But remember, my babies, I'm just showing you so to follow up on what I sent you. This isn't something that I just came up with. Okay, I sent this to you 2 weeks ago. This is a recap. Okay, this is my gospel, baby. This is my global digital march to educate so we can be educated. Okay, this is not, listen, this is no trick or trade. This is looking at your charts and reading your chart. Okay, there's more into it, and what I'm asking you to do in the comments, when we can go over this on Saturdays. I choose to do Saturday to go over, and if you want to come with me, Zoom with me, or come in, if you have a PC, I will quick link you, and we can share the screen. Anything that you have or you're trying to trade, let's trade together. Let's let's be those apostles and move the way God has wanted us to move together, not follow these laws. Okay, wait a minute, guys. I'm going on a tangent. You gotta forgive me. Hey, put your hands on my head and slow me down. Okay. Now, what I'm looking for right now, I'm waiting because nothing right now is showing anything. Okay. Okay, but right now, let's just say this. Um, do a range of what this is going right now. Each each move right now. Oh wait a minute. Let me just do 1,500. I want to put this box there so I can do 1,500. Okay. Okay. Right now, I'm looking to see that it's been ranging anywhere from 1,540 to 1,085. Okay. All right. 1,085. 720. All right, let's just leave that there. Okay, right now, what I'm looking at, what Bitcoin is doing, we already said. So I don't, I don't misinterpret what's going on. Let me just go on and tell you what it could possibly happen. Okay, Bitcoin has to stay. If it stays below and does not break out, it has to come back down and hold support. Okay, now it may range in between this range here. Okay, which you're talking probably $3,000 or $3,100. Okay, $3,100 to $3,200 in between this stay in this here range. If it comes out of this range, okay, if it comes out of this range, then you're looking at it to create newer. newer highs. Okay, so let's just do that really quick while I'm here. But I want you to see how I put came in and marked my market and pre-market. Okay, so duplicate, and this right here I'm going to use because I like this. Wait, let's duplicate that. I'm going to eventually hold a seminar here where I stay, or um, where demand is. Okay, if I get enough people to say, "Hey, Essex, I would love to come in and uh, sit through your strategy on how to apply um, what I do." Okay, now this is what I'm looking at right now. Let's now I'm going to go on the hourly. Let's see if it's going to. Okay, I should have changed it. Let's go back. Somehow or another. Oh God, come on, babies. Okay, it went off. Right now, I can't show you anything, but what I need you to go back and look at is what I told you um, and share with you 2 weeks ago. Okay, go back in there, look at it, and it says Bitcoin, and you'll see what I said was going. I'm not going to go into too much detail. It's a good thing it's cut off. Okay, hey babies, look, patience, analyze, control your emotions. Support my global digital march. This is my this is what I'm going to be sharing with you. This is church in a different way. I'm building on three standards. Okay, Hebrews, Matthew, and and First Corinthians. Okay, about love. Matthew is tithing offerings and learning how to manage your money, your talents. It's three different things, baby. Okay, don't let it get confused. That's my opinion. You go do your own due diligence, but I want you to follow that. Okay, babies, I'm out. Uh, Handle biz, have fun. Okay, patience, analyze, control your emotions. Subscribe, share this knowledge. This is knowledge that God has freely given us. Okay, and this is what I'm sharing with you. Okay, and let me see. I just found out I got another screen that I can put up. I'm not going to change anything because I don't have no internet. Okay, but what I want you to see is that prior to looking at, I was going to sign off. Prior to looking at why I'm trying to tell you that Bitcoin could be creating lower highs, okay, and lower lows. It needs to break this, come up, okay, come up, and oh shoot, come up. I can still, wow, even though I have no internet. Okay, it has to come up, baby, and break this support. Okay, I can't change this screen right now. I'm gonna see if I can minus out. Okay, here we go. Let's see. I'll see how far it minus out. But right now, Bitcoins can come back and retest this support level here. So 121. Okay, from 121 retest. Okay, guys? Test. Okay. And that's all I do. I learned how to, 4 years of me trading, I learned how to keep it simple. So this is what I'm doing now. I talk a lot, but I was supposed to sign off. But I realized that um, if you can see that my internet is not connecting, and I thought I was finished. But this is where you're looking at. This is your range. Okay, we need to see we need to see these candles create this move. Okay, it needs to come up. Right now I'm on a minute. It's hard to go in it, but this I need this right here. I need this to continue to form like this. One, two, three, because we're on a 3 minute, and I needed to do this again. Okay, if you're in a 1 minute, okay, oh come on, I needed to do this. Okay, because I can't get back to the 30 minute. Okay, I need these candles. You need these candles to form. Do you guys understand? I'm gonna get off though because I want to go over the others. Duplicate. You need this to do this. You see this? Oh, okay. Now you need this to do this. Okay. These are your candles. Duplicate. You need this to do this. Okay. Create this going up. Three of them on top of each other. You might have a this right here. This the doji. Okay. Um, let's create that candle right quick, guys. You might have this form. Okay. You see this right here? You may have these candles form. Okay. You have these candles that can form. Because I've got two candles stuck together, I'm looking to see this form. I'm looking for this candle. Oh, wait. We're looking for this candle to form. Okay, guys? Because why am I looking for that candle? I can't explain that to you in so much detail because I said I wanted to get off, but this is important. I thought everything that I say, I don't know why I keep going on, but forgive me, okay, guys? I, um, this is what I'm looking for now. I'm looking for this candle to form. Okay? Yeah. Let's see. I'm looking for that candle. That's what I'm looking for to form, okay? It forming in between these, okay? So I'm looking for this to keep These are right now. These are 1 minute candles. Okay. I want to see this. I want to see this building up. Oh God, I wish I can. I want to see these starting to build up. Okay. Higher, higher, higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. I'm looking for that pattern. That's going to let me know. And this is on a lower time frame. Okay. But it needs to keep layering up until it gets up. Do you get the picture? Okay, guys, I'm going to go to the next one. Hopefully, we have. I'm going to go through all of these. This right here. If you see this, I'm going to pull up all these. Um, Go through these were what I shared last week. Okay, and babies, I love you. Let's get handle biz and have fun. I'm going to have a live topic that I'm going to host for at least 100 days. Um, and this topic is going to cover something that's dear to me. Okay, and just to let you understand what we're going to what you're getting prepared for. I'm going to have a topic is from traditional versus modern, women and men. Okay, I'm not going to end this because this is something that needs to be talked about a lot. And and number one, what standards are we measuring our traditional uh, versus our modern women and men? Okay, what foundation are you building on? And then three, what example are you using and are you following? Okay, babies. Hey, I love you again. Stay safe out there. I'm going to bring up all this you're going to see Netflix, Nvidia, AMAT, um, um, because I gave the wrong name for AXP and AMAT, so I have to go in there and clear it up for you guys. But we're going to recap again. We're going to recap what I sent. Okay. All right, my babies. I love you. Um, Fellowship with me. If you have a trade or something you're looking at, I don't care if it's crypto or whatever, tell me how to go to the chart. I want to learn it. I want to see where you're at with it. Let's do this, babies. Okay? All right.